Welcome. In front of me is a Honor 20E, and today I'll show you how you can apply a tempered glass to this phone. So once you get your tempered glass in your phone, you can just kind of take out the glass out of here. There is mine. And additionally, inside you should find a little wet wipe. There we go. And before I get started, I will mention wet wipes. As you can see, there is a wet one and dry one. The wet ones aren't always wet, so if for you this wet wipe is completely dried up, then use something like a microfiber cloth. This will work way better than anything that I can get actually in here anyway. So let's see how absolutely dried up this is. Hey, it's actually wet, finally. So let's just unfold this absolutely behemoth size of cloth, as you can see, and you can wipe your device, and you can see that it is actually wet. Now this is alcohol, so it does evaporate, but you can just basically clean it off with all the smudges that were on here, dirt and stuff like that. And from there you can grab the dry wipe, which is the same gigantic size as this one, or what you can do is just grab a microfiber cloth, which is what I'm gonna do, because dealing with this this tiny little microfiber, or this little thing, is really not fun. So yeah, I can just wipe that off. Now as you can see, there are some smudges right now, so make sure that they are completely gone. This is from the actual little solution that is on that piece of whatever you want to call it. So make sure that the screen is just as clean as it possibly can be. And that looks great. You can see that it is crystal clear. Now, I'd recommend keeping the fiber cloth near you for a use in a second. Grab your screen protector, as you can see there's mine. And what you want to do is peel this off, and then once you peel it off, give it a pass with a fiber cloth again, just to remove any kind of speck of dust that would settle on the display, assuming one has settled. For me it's still super clean, so I'm just gonna peel it off. There we go. And okay, looks fine. So from here you want to basically position the glass above the display. Place just the edge of it on. So I'm placing it right here, as you can hopefully see. Make sure that it is in the middle, and then slowly press it down right here with your fingers. Make sure that it is constantly in the middle. Keep holding it down here and just drop it. Once you drop it, as you can see, it starts to connect to the display itself. And there we go, it should cover the entire display. And additionally, you can probably see there are these dots right here, like everywhere on the screen. This is not air under the tempered glass. This is just like something that has dried up on top of it. So what you can do is you can grab this again, I guess. Actually, it has a use now. And you can clean it off. There we go, and let's wipe it again. Now, not everything will come off, meaning like right away. You might need to put some more effort into it, but as you can see, majority of it is gone. Now, if you start to like really trying to get it off, it will come off. It's just not the easiest thing to clean off. But you can see it is coming off by just trying to get it. So we can just apply this logic to the entire screen, get rid of every speck of little like dried up water, whatever that is, and it should be as clean as it can get. Anyway, that is how you would apply the screen protector to your device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.